From the following, calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and the material usage variance. Means they have asked us to find out three variances: cost, price, and usage variance. Now for this, they have given us the information of standard quantity and the actual quantity as well as the prices are given. Now if you see over here, we have a three material A, B, and C. And तीनों के units are given as well as the price are given. So we just have to compare this, and whenever like this three materials के लिए दिया होगा या 4 materials के लिए दिया होगा, during this time you have to find out the variances for all the materials. हाँ, आप सारे क्या वेरिएंसेस फाइंड करोगे, और अगर कुछ एडवर्स वेरिएंस आया तो यू आर गोइंग टू टेक अ करेक्टिव मेजर्स एंड कन्वर्ट दैट एडवर्स इनटू द फेवरेबल वन. Okay, now for this, see, they have given us the units as well as they have given us the price. So what we can do, we can just first multiply the units with the price and find out the amount, so that हमें material cost variance का complete with a formula. We don't have to do the whole process directly. हम यहाँ से, और ये भी हमें ये भी find out, अगर नेक्स्ट कुछ फॉर्मूला में अप्लाई करना है तो इससे हम ये भी इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट मेकिंग अ टेबल, यू कैन डायरेक्टली फाइंड इट आउट, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट अगर आप टेबल से बना रहे हो तो इट वुड बी इजियर फॉर यू एज वेल टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो हम दोनों से देखेंगे कि अगर टेबल कर रहे हैं तो भी कैसे करना है, एंड विदाउट टेबल डायरेक्टली भी फिगर्स लेने हैं तो हाउ वी कैन डू इट. नाउ सी, फर्स्ट ए मटेरियल की कितनी क्वांटिटीज आर बीइंग यूज्ड? 600. So in the quantity I will be writing down 600. What we are going to do, we are going to see over here कि ये standard है, मेरा actual है, तो मुझे easy हो जाएगा comparison के लिए. What is the price of that? 3 rupees. So 600 into 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 1800. Same way material B का नहीं, units is 800. So write down the units. 800, 5, 4000. Then C ka units is 1000 at the rate of 4 rupees. So this comes to, take a total of units 2400 and total of the amount 9800. Same way actual के लिए भी जो भी डेटा दिया है, just write it down for the actual. Units is 640, rate 4. So 640 into 4 comes to 2560. Same way. $4,320. For the material C, 840 into 5, 4200. Again, take a total of quantity 2440. Take a total of amount 11,080. What we have done, we have just drawn the table, and हमने स्टैंडर्ड की जो भी ये दी थी हमें इंफॉर्मेशन, हमने वो स्टैंडर्ड के नीचे लिखा, जितना भी एक्चुअल का इंफॉर्मेशन था we have done it for the actual. Now can you see, स्टैंडर्ड था 2400 का टोटल, जबकि एक्चुअल में कितना बन गया है? 2440. ठीक है, दिस इज लाइक हाउ होल ऑफ द कॉस्ट वेरिएंस कैन बी अंडरस्टूड. पर हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट फॉर द इंडिविजुअल वन. ठीक है, हमें इंडिविजुअल फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट फॉर द मटेरियल ए, मटेरियल बी एंड मटेरियल सी. The formula for material cost variance: standard minus actual, that is you have to multiply standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. What we can do, see, अब हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर टेबल तो बना लिया है. We can directly take up the total because see, this is standard units, that is standard quantity, this is standard price. तो this ये 800 हमें आया, वो क्या है, टोटल है. तो we can directly do it like 1800 minus 2560. You can directly write like this. पर अगर आप as if मैंने तुम लोगों को बोला कि if you are not preparing a table, तो how you can write it down directly. 600 into 3 minus 640 into 4. ठीक है. अगर टेबल नहीं बनाते तो आप कैसे करते थे, ऐसे डायरेक्टली कर सकते थे. चलो, so let's write it down. 1800 minus 560. This will be equals to how much? 760, but adverse. Why adverse? Because actual quantity is higher than the standard quantity. Same way, see, for the material B, it was 4000, whereas actual is 4320. Again, you will be getting an adverse. Why adverse? Because actual is higher than the standard. Same way, we have to find it out for the C. 4000 is a standard quantity. 4200 is the actual quantity. Again, you will get 200 adverse because actual is higher than the standard. समझ में आया? तो ये टेबल बना लिया था तो हमारा ये इजी हो गया. We have directly taken down the amounts and we have subtracted it. Yeah, without table also I told you how you can do it up. Now next variance, that is material price variance. What is the formula? Actual quantity into, in brackets, standard price minus actual price. Now see, A ka standard price is how much? 3, whereas actual price is how much? 4, and the actual quantity is how much? हाँ, यही मिस्टेक करते हो. टोटल नहीं लेना है हमें. वी हैव टू ओनली टेक डाउन द यूनिट्स. हमें सिर्फ ये वाली यूनिट्स को लेना है, एक्चुअल यूनिट्स. हाँ, दिस इज अ मिस्टेक्स विच यू ऑल डू. You do not have to take this total. You have to just take the units into actual quantity. तो सिर्फ quantity लेनी है. The quantity is 640. चलो, so let's write it down. Actual quantity कितनी है? 640 minus standard price is how much? 3. Actual price is how much? 4. This will be equals to 640 into minus 1, which will be equal to 640 adverse. If we have to calculate for material B, 960 is the actual quantity. 5 rupees is a standard price minus actual price is 4.50. $960 into 0.50. Now here we will be getting this favorable. क्यों favorable? Because standard is higher than the actual one. So इसके लिए हमें क्या मिलेगा? Favorable मिलेगा. Same way you have to calculate for C. Actual quantity is 840. 4 is a standard rate. 5 is the actual rate. 840 into minus 1. So again you will be getting over here 840 adverse. Now we can even find out the material usage variance. So are you able to understand it? We just have to apply the formula. Figures will be given in the questions. We just have to apply this into the formula and find out the variances. So next one, material usage variance. Same way, usage variance also will be find it out for the three quantity material A, B, and C. Now, standard price in bracket actual standard quantity minus actual quantity. Now, what is the standard price for A? 3 rupees. Standard quantity is how much? 600. How much? 640. $120 adverse. Same way, find it out for the B. B ka standard price is 5. Standard quantity is 800. Is 960. 5 into 160. Again negative, so 800 adverse. Material C ka standard price is 4. Standard quantity is 1000. Actual quantity is 840. $160 is to 6. But favorable, because over here the standard is higher than the actual. So we will be getting down the favorable results. Verification करना है तो कर सकते हैं. Yes, we can easily do it up. Here I am doing it up. Material cost variance is equals to material usage variance plus material price variance. Now material cost variance कितना आया था? Just take a total. 760 adverse plus 320 adverse plus 200 adverse. So this is equal to 1280. Material usage variance plus material price. So usage variance is how much? 120 plus 800. Yes, minus 640. So this will be 280 adverse. A material price variance 640 plus 840 minus 480. So this 1000 adverse. अब देखो दोनों का calculation adverse can be added. So 280 plus 1000. Yes, आया 1280 adverse. Yes, this is how even you can do the verification.